So, sorry guys to keep you waiting. So, today we are back again with our new podcast. So, today we are with our new council members, our communication secretary and our innovation secretary. So, let me introduce you to them.
I am Namrata. My post is Communication Secretary.
Hello everyone, I am Shatakshi Bhargav. I am representing the Innovative Secretary post.
So, let's start our today's podcast. So, our first question being, what are your works?
My basically work was being the bridge between the students and teachers and delays the misunderstanding between them.
What about you?
And my work is to basically to bring up something new to the table. Like I have the work to make bringing something new ideas and to doing creativity and inspiring others to be that much attention and interact them with the creativity.
So, basically, your work was to make a bridge between students and teachers,
Yes.
and you have to do a lot of creativity work
Yeah.
in order to bring out new things.
Yeah.
So let's keep going. So can you tell us the difference between your work?
Basically, my work was like if the teacher is strict and the student was very innocent, he is not able to say their conflicts or doubts or share their ideas to teachers. So my work was peacefully talking to students and share the idea with teachers.
What about you?
And my work is to do creative changes in the school and bringing something new and encouraging all the students to bring up their own ideas. There are some students who don't share their basically ideas, so I will encourage them, and if they are not comfortable they can just tell me. I will bring their idea to the table.
So it was like very important question because people are having doubts about your
Yeah.
post, that what communication secretary do and what innovative secretary do.
Yeah.
So moving up, let's move to some memories.
Okay.
So like what was your reaction when you was first elected, and what was your thoughts, like what you will do?
When I was get to know that I was elected, I was really very happy that finally I have made it. When you saw others shoulders in blue, then you want that I also want to contribute to the something that which is going in our school. So I was very happy, but then I started realizing that happiness comes with responsibilities.
What about you?
My reaction was like I'm seeing the other students wearing blue scarf, and if when the result was come and I was elected, I am very happy and also nervous that how will I manage the things.
So basically, you both were looking people at with this scarf, which inspired you, right?
No, look, that is not the point that we were comparing, or there is something like that. That if they have, I also want. That is not the point. But the point is that we want to contribute into the things going on in school and the changes. And this is the best way where we can do it directly. So we just apply, and whenever we will do some work, how come? So when you will see someone like we both are working together, you will see our bonding, our work, what changes we have done. So that will inspire you. So we were thinking that yes, we also want to contribute.
And
I
we
have
al-
seen your bonding actually.
Yes.
and we also want to do like we
Yeah.
are work together
Yeah.
and some changes.
So
in our
basically, you
school.
wanted to improve things in the
Yes.
school. That's why you have joined.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, what was your memorable day? If we are talking about memories,
Look, our memorable day. You are asking about the day, not the incident, right? Day.
anything you want to share that was memorable?
Okay. First, our event gala day was the most memorable.
Why?
That was something, that was something new happened. And we have also contributed, on not only just we, the whole council has contributed a lot in that.
Same, the gala was very fantastic, and we are even work together
Yeah.
and contribute our ideas and doing lot of things. Enjoy there.
So it
Like,
was memorable because you got a time for bonding.
We
Yeah,
got a
we
time
can
for
say.
bonding. Yeah, you can say that.
So like moving up. So talking about your posts. So my first question is to you, like Namrata. What are the skills you think a communication secretary should have?
communication secretary should have the confidence and being a like friendly natures between for their juniors and each and everyone students, and have also the like good in manners by the talking,
Disciplined.
discipline, and their English was also good.
What about you?
My always be curious, never get shy to put
Basically
your,
out of the box mind.
yeah, to never get shy to put your every idea, whether it's worst or best. Even your small thing can make big decisions, I believe.
That is a good mindset actually.
Yeah.
So, like, if we are talking about things, so how do you manage things up for the event? Like, how do you plan things as an innovative secretary?
As my post, like if there is any event coming, at first we, whole council, including Abhishek sir, we all discuss everything, order proceeding, and then if there is something I can pop up, new thing, then I think about it and I directly say it to sir, and then we manage it. That where it will be going into the order proceeding, any new change or not.
What about you?
What was the question?
Like, how do you manage events at with each other as a communication secretary?
As a communication secretary, we are making like our council's team, so we are just we are choosing one room and share our ideas. And Abhishek sir was also encourage us a lot, and he also listen our each and every one ideas. I am very grateful. We are discussing the idea over
So,
there.
like, if we are moving up,
Yeah.
so is any things you want to improve if you had unlimited resources for one day?
Look, indirectly you are asking that if the whole council will have unlimited power for a day, what will you organize?
Yes, you
Yeah.
can say that.
Do you want to go first or may I? Yeah. Okay. Look, if our whole council will have the power unlimited without any restriction for one day, I would like to say that I want to organize a day on which each student, whether he is shy or not, even when he is good at studies or not, it doesn't matter. You will share your experience about everything. If you have any queries, you can ask that, and we will give them time, no study for the day.
Every student's dream.
Yeah, every student has the dream that yeah, there will be no study, of course I will go, and having some particularly sports time, and bring and and giving invitation to someone who will inspire them.
What about you?
If I have the power, I will make sure that each and every students are sharing their ideas, thoughts without the shyness,
Yeah.
and about their interesting games, activities, and about their also like on which thing they are perfect.
So basically, both are notorious, right? You want games and other things also.
Look, it doesn't matter that we want that. We are the council. We have to see what everyone wants. And most of the majority will go, yeah, we want to
We
play.
want sports.
Yeah, we want sports.
So, like, if we are talking about works, so what are the works you have done throughout your years?
Like, we have been planning a lot of events. We have been discussing a lot of things, managing.
Also
Like-
encouraging the students.
Yeah.
Like they have to be participate in activities on
You
these
want us to
functions.
give some example?
Yes. You
Like,
can,
we have made vision of board, wall of expression.
can you like explain a bit?
Look, the wall of expression means that it doesn't matter who you are. You can just put your thoughts, anything, whether it's Hindi, English, Sanskrit, it doesn't matter. You can just paste it over there. No one can stop you. And if you are not very comfortable, so it is not important to write your name.
Basically, you can keep your identity hidden.
Yeah, if you want to. But if you want to show, then it's okay, no problem.
What about you, communication secretary?
Basically we are doing this walls of expressions and sharing their to the student was sharing their ideas, goals over there, on which studies or on which subject, on which activities they are interested. They simply put their thoughts over there.
So, can you tell us about the things which you prioritize first during,
Prioritize.
during any sort of decision making? Like when you are decision making,
Yeah.
so what are the things that you keep in your mind to take that decision?
In what kind of decision? It is
Like-
an event, rule, or
Let's take
something.
event as an example.
Event. Look, the most important thing, according to us, I guess, that event should be memorable.
Memorable.
It should be
Joyly.
joyly. Everyone should enjoy it. That is the most thing we prioritize. That yeah, people will say and say that yes, that was something.
The day
So-
was very memorable over
Yeah.
there.
So as we have seen a lot of podcasts before also,
Yeah.
so they have given a lot of things that a student should have. So in your language or in your point of view, what are the
Yeah.
things that a student should have?
In his or her
In them as in
behavior.
yes, you can say in behavior or as in quality to improve their lifestyles.
They should have the confidence and believe in their own self. And my thinking was that beside the shyness and say your words clearly, so you can more easily to talk and communicate with each other.
So are you agreeing with her?
Yeah, of course, it is a basic thing that everyone should have a self-confidence.
Confidence and self
And never get shy to put something. Like you have seen a lot of students don't put their ideas. So I am literally, I don't feel comfort when I saw someone having brilliant idea but don't put them.
So basically they should be confident, right?
Yeah, they should be confident.
And always ready to express,
Yes.
like you.
Yeah. You can say that.
So if we are talking about qualities,
Yeah.
so everybody goes through some changes.
Yeah.
So this council will also have changed some qualities in you, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So
A
can
lot
you
of
tell us?
things. Yes, before I was not joining council, I am very shyness and I am not even like interacting too much with the peoples. And after joining the council, I am very confident and share my words easily without the shyness.
What about you?
Look, you can ask to everyone who are close to me right now before joining the council and before knowing about the council. Before I have not been, you can also ask her, I don't used to talk at all.
She is very angry.
I was just
always.
like, yeah, I don't talk.
Emotional. She's always-
Frustrated.
No, not frustrated. I was
Emotional
literally,
type.
you say that, he's very quiet. I was just like that. Just used to sit, study, go back home. Come, assembly study, go back
A
home.
simple acha bacha.
Yeah, that one.
So-
So after coming into this, then I start taking responsibility a lot. It has also improved my leadership skills. It has also helped me to showcase my talent. Yeah,
So basically council has given you a lot of things, right?
yeah.
So if we are talking about messages, so what are the tips you want to give to students in order so that they can also achieve such post in future, like you both? And don't tell me you want to keep that for always.
No problem if we will have it. What's the problem?
There is, but are there any tips you want to share?
Look, according to me, you should always be curious. Never hiding something, always being face forward. Whatever you feel, just do it. Whatever you like, do it. Do not force yourself to do anything. Believe in yourself and just do it.
Same.
Yeah.
Same. Believe in
Don't
yourself.
get fear or what,
Shy.
that kind of shy, afraid.
And don't think a lot that I am not capable of this
Yeah.
post. Just put
Some
your
people
words
do.
forward without the shyness.
So if we give you a little sambit, that's believe in yourself,
Yeah.
always have self-confidence,
Yes.
and never underestimate yourself,
Yes.
right? So that was basically all for today. Thank you everyone for being a part of our podcast. We will back again soon with a new podcast. Thank you.
Thank you.